password dumping in Volatility. In this lecture, you will learn about the password dumping in Volatility Framework. So actually the passwords in Windows is listed in the Security Accounts Manager SAM file, is also listed using the Hivelist plugin. In previous lecture, as you remember, we used the Hivelist plugin to print this out, and the path to the SAM file is seen in this here, as you can see here, system32 config SAM file. So in this here, in this address, we have the stored passwords here. So this file cannot be accessed by users within the Windows while the system is on, and it can be further used to cure the hashed passwords in the SAM file to crack passwords using the word list. So along with the password cracking tools using the John the Ripper, as you know, John the Ripper, you can use this for the password cracking tools using brute force or other methods. And in Linux, so you're gonna, in next lectures we will also do the SAM file investigation and the password extraction from the memory file or storage file in Windows. And now I'm gonna tell you more about the timeline of events in Volatility. And Volatility can produce a list of time-stamped events, which is essential to any investigation. So to produce this list, we will use the timeliner plugin in Volatility here. So timeliner, and this timeliner plugin helps investigator by providing a timeline of all the events that took place when the image was occurred. So although we have an idea of what took place within this scenario, many other dumps may be quite large and far more detailed and complex. So the timeliner plugin groups details by times and include processes, process IDs, process offset, DLLs used, registry details, and other useful informations. To run the timeliner command, you need to, like as previously commands, you need to specify the profile and then the virtual memory file, and then use the plugin parameter here. In this case, it's a timeliner because we're gonna use the timeliner plugin here. Press enter, and yeah, it's now analyzing, and it will show us the details here. Okay, I will also paste this file in the attachment here, zoom out here as we previously did. So now here we got zoom out like that, and I will copy this output to the txt file and share it with you here, and yeah, pasted it there. And this is the timelines of what happened on the system. As you can see, there is the clock here, date, time, the process, the executable file, process ID, offset, and all those information, and the information about what users or what system programs did at what time. So it's actually quite useful and powerful information on doing malware analysis here. So I'm gonna paste this command on the paste text file on the attachment, so you can analyze further, or you can just get this result by using this analysis techniques I use here. So let's okay. Now in next lecture we're gonna use the graphical user interface in Volatility, and we will get more information about Volatility in graphical user interface. So I'm waiting you next lecture.